Hi, have you ever thought about tinting your eyebrows? If you're getting a lot of gray hair in your brows and your brows are starting to fade, which happens as we get older and more mature, you might want to think about tinting them. It's an easy process, and being that I was going to do it anyway, I thought I would do this for you today. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jacqueline and welcome to Timeless Beauty's Mature Studio. So today, as I had said, I'm going to be tinting my eyebrows. I do it every once a month, pretty well when I get my hair done. So I'm going to get my hair done in a couple of days, so it's time to do that. So anyways, I'll just show you the products that I'm using, first of all, before we get started. So first of all, it's a product called RefectoCil. And I will post a picture of this up for you so you can see it closer. But it is available on Amazon. I checked that. I do pick it up at a beauty supply store, but you can get it on Amazon. And it comes in different colors. So this one I'm going to be using today is in the graphite color. And there's also one in a natural brown, and then we have a light brown too. So what you do is you pick it closest to the hair color that you want. Because I'm kind of in between a brown and a kind of a charcoal gray, I'm going to use the graphite and the natural brown, and I'm going to mix these two together. It also comes with the developer cream, so it is a 1-to-1 ratio. Like if you're mixing a hair dye, it's 1-to-1. And it comes with a little stick like this that helps to apply onto the eyebrow. So I'll show you how I mix it first of all. So what I do is I take a shot glass like this, and so being that it's a 1-to-1 mix, I'm going to start off by mixing the color, which is like this here, and this is the graphite one. I'm going to take a little bit of that and I'm going to squeeze it into my shot glass. So because I'm using two colors, I'm going to use a little bit of this one, and I don't know if you can see, it's just a little bit there. And I'm going to take also the natural brown, and I'm going to squeeze about the same amount, so it's half and half into that one. So the graphite obviously is a little bit darker than the natural brown, which I had wanted. Okay, so what I do is I take a look at that, how big a piece that color is, and then I'm going to take my developer and I'm going to squeeze some of that into it, about the same amount. And because it's in the shot glass, so it won't come out or run anywhere. So I'm going to put the developer about the same amount on here to cover, and it looks like about half of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up. So you take the little stick and you mix it into the developer. So mix, 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 like so. Sometimes I can see if there's maybe not enough color in there, I'll add a little bit more. So, or not enough product, but you don't really need a lot because you're just doing your eyebrows. This product is also made to do eyelashes, but I'm not brave enough to do my own eyelashes. I just stick to the brows. Now, if you want eyelashes and brows done, and maybe some of you already go to an esthetician who will do that for you. Actually, my daughter's an esthetician, but I just rather do it myself. So anyway, I've mixed it all up, and it just comes to like a fine paste, almost like you're mixing up your hair color. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pin my hair back, and I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing, like so. So then I'm going to take this little stick. Now, if you're worried about getting color on the skin, you could put a little bit of Vaseline above and below the eyebrows. But I don't typically worry about it. It doesn't really bother my skin. It doesn't stain my skin, so I'm not going to do that. But if you were concerned about sensitive skin or it staining your skin, you could put a little bit of Vaseline and that would help. So I'm going to take some of the product on this little, well, it doesn't, it's not really staying on the little spatula. So I'm going to take a brush that I have. So I have a spoolie and a little bit of brush at the end. And I'm going to take this brush, take some of it on the end here, and I'm going to apply it to my eyebrows. So I'm going to use this mirror so I can see it, I don't get it all over. So I'm just going to apply it right to the hairs of the eyebrow and run it along, like so. I'm going to get a little bit more. I do have quite a few grays in there, and it's so hard not to pluck them because I want to get them out of there, but I'd rather be doing this, I guess, so I don't get the holes or the pieces missing that you can get when you pluck. So don't be plucking your gray hairs out of your eyebrows. And so this will cover the gray pretty well. I have, once in a while, I'll still see it. Gray hair is very stubborn, and I'll still see a gray hair that the color doesn't cover. And so it's not perfect, but it certainly does help. And just going very carefully along the brow line, getting enough product in there like that, getting it on that. I can't seem to get it on that gray hair very well here. Okay, so I got the one done. Now I will take the second one here and apply. You can just take a brush, an eyebrow brush that you have. I find that other little spoolie that it comes with, the little wand there, it doesn't really work that well for me. Anyway, it might work for you. So get more product. Put it through the brow. Oh, got it on my skin. So in that case, I'll take a Q-tip and just, I haven't put any makeup up underneath my brows yet because I'll just wait till I'm done to do that. I mean, you can pay to have this done when you get your hair done. Sometimes even the stylist will do it when they color your hair. But I like to do it myself. It's not expensive product, and it just helps fill in some of that color. So I'm just getting it right into the hairs there. Looks a little dramatic right now, doesn't it? Oh. Okay. So I've got a Q-tip that I'm just running along there. Just going to go over it again. I'm trying to put as much product on those gray hairs as I can. Alright, I think that's good. So all you do is get it on there, get it into the hair, like so. And I'm going to leave it on my brows for about 5 minutes. And then when I come back, we'll remove it, and hopefully we can see a difference that it has covered my gray hair. Okay, so we'll be back shortly. Okay, I'm back. So in the instructions it says to leave on from 5 to 10 minutes, but I usually leave it on around 5 minutes. I don't want to leave it on too long. So we're going to go ahead and remove the product. So I'm going to take some of my Bioderma, and this is the cleansing micellar water, the solution, and I'm going to start by sopping it into my cotton pad. And I'll take my mirror and I'll start removing this one here. And actually it has darkened my eyebrow significantly, so that's good. Doesn't look, now I still see a couple of little bit of gray, but it has darkened the brow. And then I'll just take another. Okay, so I'm going to do the other brow. Again, a cotton pad, some of the Bioderma water, and I'm going to remove this one. Couple things there. Now I would actually do this before I put any makeup on, but because I was just around and about today and I thought I would do this, so I do have my makeup on, but I didn't put any underneath the brow. But it does, when I'm taking it off, it does remove some of my makeup, so that's okay. I can always fix that. So actually that did a really good job. And I don't know if you can see, but the grays are almost all gone. I just see a tiny little bit peeking out here. And maybe the next time when I put the tint on my eyebrows, I'll leave it on just a little bit longer. So if instead of the 5 minutes, I might use 7 minutes and see how that works. So anyway, I just wanted to show you how easy it is and how, you know, when I go to fill my brows in now, I just run a little bit of powder through them, and it's quite simple. So anyway, I just wanted to quickly show you how I tint my eyebrows. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I appreciate it, and I hope you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified that another video goes up. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.